I'm a gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, and infertility specialist. But yes, I'm part of sickness industry. So on the other hand, I'm very proud and feel blessed to be part of Herbalife and IDSA, as it gave me an opportunity to be a part of wellness industry. I realized that as doctor, I can only treat people, but with Herbalife, we can prevent diseases. So it has been a great journey. I've been associated with Herbalife for last 23 years. My husband is an orthopedic surgeon. But as doctors, we thought we knew everything, but we were actually not in good health in spite of being doctors. So Herbalife gave us great health. And we at Herbalife are very passionate about health, nutrition, and fitness. And our philosophy is active, healthy lifestyle.